how to fix iPhone 6s running slow with a few simple settings that can improve performance and reduce lag. First, open the Settings app and tap Accessibility. Then select Motion and turn on Reduce Motion. This reduces animations and can make your iPhone feel more responsive. Next, go back and tap Display and Text Size. Enable Reduce Transparency to reduce visual effects and improve overall performance. Now return to Settings, tap General, then Background App Refresh. Select Background App Refresh again and turn it off, or allow it only for apps you use regularly. This helps reduce background activity and can improve both speed and battery life. If your storage is almost full, go to Settings, General, then iPhone Storage. Delete unused apps, old videos, or large files to free up space, since low storage can slow down your device. That's it. These simple tips can help your iPhone 6s run more smoothly. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, iOS tutorials, and easy tech guides.